Once upon a time, in a small, quiet village, 3 children loved to play together every day. Their names were Sam, Anna, and Tom, and they were best friends. One sunny afternoon, they were running and laughing in the village park. Suddenly, Tom tripped over something hard in the ground. At first, they thought it was just a rock, but it looked different. Curious, they dug a little and found a small wooden box. The box was old, with scratches and dirt all over it. Inside was an old map with a big red X and strange symbols. Sam said, "This looks like a treasure map." Anna's eyes shined. "Maybe there is gold or jewels." Tom smiled and said, "Let's go and see where it leads." They promised to meet again after school and go together. When school finished, they took some bread, apples, and a lantern for their adventure. The map led them to a dark, quiet forest near the village. The forest was big, and the children walked carefully on the small path. Birds were singing, and the wind moved the tall trees. Suddenly, they came to a small wooden bridge over a stream. The bridge was old and made funny sounds when they walked on it. Anna said, "Be careful, don't fall." They all laughed and crossed slowly. After the bridge, they saw a rabbit running fast into the bushes. It made them smile. Later, they came to a big stone with strange signs on it, just like the map. They knew they were on the right path. The children sat down under a tree and ate their bread and apples. They talked about what kind of treasure they might find: gold, jewels, or maybe toys. After resting, they walked again until they reached a big oak tree. On the tree, the same strange symbols from the map were carved into the bark. Tom shouted, "We found it! The treasure must be here!" They started digging under the tree with sticks and their hands. The ground was hard, but they didn't stop because they were excited. Suddenly, Anna's stick hit something hard under the ground. It was a heavy wooden chest covered in dirt, moss, and little roots. Together, they pulled the chest out. Their hearts beat fast with excitement. They opened it slowly, and the lid made a creaking sound. Inside were old silver and gold coins, shiny stones, and a golden ring. Sam whispered, "Wow, this is real treasure." Anna said, "It's more beautiful than I ever imagined." The children smiled, but they also felt a little afraid of keeping it. They thought about it and decided to bring the treasure to the village chief. The chief looked at them kindly and said, "You are honest and brave children." The treasure was placed in the village museum so everyone could see it. People from the village came and admired the coins, stones, and ring. From that day, the children were called heroes in the village. Their parents were very proud of them, and everyone clapped for the children. And every time they passed the big oak tree, they remembered their great adventure with smiles on their faces.